Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will move further and we will type the lobby script. I already have typed so that for saving time, and we will discuss that in a while. First of all, in the Photon game manager we have included the same management, and public string main scene name I have changed this to lobby because we now want to open the lobby scene when we clicked on the start, okay, from the main menu. So start function is same, override on connected function because this is, we can comment it, no need for this. I will just leave it and later on we will delete the irrelevant things. And on the public void on connected to master, I just comment this line of code because in this line of code now we are using in the lobby script, and then we are actually loading the scene manager to the main scene name. Okay, so if we go to the enter button, you can see that it will open the that scene. Okay, so these are the settings here for the Photon game manager. And now for the lobby script, we will include the scene management, UI, Photon real time. Then we will include the mono behavior, pun callbacks. Then we will create some lobby kill counts. So here you can see that we have created a type lobby kill count, team battle, no spawn. So we created 3 type of lobby. Then we have added a public text room number so it will be visible. Then we are actually calling the public string level name. Okay, so it will actually show the level name. Then we have created back to menu function where we will click on the main menu button and it will be moved back to the main menu. Then we have created join game kill count. Here we are actually getting Photon network dot join lobby kill count, and also we are opening the main scene for now. Later on we will actually open the other scenes. Okay, then here you can see on join game team battle, we are actually joining the team battle lobby. Then on the no respawn, we are spawning the no respawn. And the main scene for now, for the testing purpose, I am just using. Later on we can actually change the scene. And then we have the public override void on joined lobby and Photon network dot joined random room. And this random room was initially added to the Photon game manager, but now it is available inside the this script, lobby script. So here you can see that this room number dot text is getting the text, and then if Photon network is master client, then it will load the level and the level name. Okay, then on the join random room failed, it will create a new room. Okay, so when the players are 6, they will join the same arena, but if the number goes to 7, next member will be created his own new room. Okay, so new room will be created on the next member. So now we can go to the lobby scene, and here in the lobby for this connecting text we can change it to the room text, and here we can just add the room, just the name of the room, and here the room will be appeared. And then definitely we need a canvas, and on the canvas we can add the lobby script. You can add it to any other object as well. And for the room number, we will add the room number text. So where it is, okay, here it is, room text. Okay, And now what we will do, we have these this skill count, and we will just go here on click. We will drag off the canvas, and we will just go to the function lobby script, and we will join the game kill count. Then we will select the team battle, and we will just go here on click, drag off the canvas, and we will go to the lobby script and on kill game kill count. Sorry, no, team battle, sorry, this is team battle. And then we have no respawn, and then we will drag off the canvas and go for lobby, and that respawn. Okay, so now I think everything is set up. Now we can move back to the main menu. And one more important thing is that in the build settings we have to add the lobby and main scene and the main menu as well. So we'll add the main menu. We will just add the main menu on the top because it is the first menu. Save everything, and now we'll just save it, and now we can play. Let's see what will happen. So okay, so the variable Photon game manager has not been assigned, so there is a error. In the manager you can see player nickname, and the connecting is not added, so player nickname will be the input name and the connecting. And now we can play it again, and now if we click, you can see we can't enter. If we type our name, enter, then it should move to the lobby, and unfortunately not. Okay, so let's see what is the issue. Main scene name. Okay, here actually the main scene name is main scene name, so we have to change it to lobby, not the main scene. And let's play it again, and enter, and again happening. So I will recheck the name, lobby is fine, and then if we go to the Photon game manager, we have the lobby, and main scene name we are getting, scene manager dot load scene on connected to master main scene name. Okay, so now it's working fine. Make sure that you should have the recheck the fields, because I was actually missing the things, and also the function should be on the enter and exit button. And the script I have made a little bit changes here. So nickname setting, connecting start, and then update text same, enter button we have added this line of code, and then on connected to master we are loading the scene name. Okay, and that's it. So now if we go to the main menu, and if you build as well, and let's try after build, because we want to open the same arena for 6 players. So let's see that how it will look like. Okay, so now we'll just open the first window, and this is the player 1. Then we can open the second window as well, third window as well. So now we can just type the name and enter, and hopefully it will be entered. And now if we, for example, select this first kill count, let's see the name here. So arena 816 was the name. Okay, so now if we go with the second name, and if we select the same level, the same name should be here. Okay, so arena, okay, it was very fast, so I think we didn't checked, but I would just recheck again. And here the name is fine, and here Rashid, and enter. And now if we select this, the same name should appear here. And yeah, actually it's very instant. So but we are in the same arena. You can see that our players are displaying correctly and everything is working fine. So next video we'll move further. Goodbye.